Hi all, welcome to the Golden Taste Cucina with Daniela. Today we're gonna do a classical recipe, spaghetti alla carbonara. The ingredients are the following. We have eggs, guanciale, salt, pepper, pecorino romano that I already grated, and in this case I use gluten-free spaghetti. Let's see. Andiamo, cuciniamo insieme con passione. First things, we're gonna cook our guanciale and let it wet and become crunchy. Second step, prepare the eggs. Just use the red of the eggs and the one total egg. Add the pecorino cheese, pepper, make it spicy, and some salt. Then you just mix to make like kind of cream. When you see that the crunchy is sufficient, we remove it and we put on the side. And we keep in the set. Basta. Put down, add some bacon, our cream, add a little bit of water, get the cream in. That is perfect now. So, our carbonara pasta is made, this time with a gluten-free. Cook with some passion, follow me, sharing, caring with your friends, and buon appetito. Really nice, delizioso. Ciao!